Today, I'm taking my 2-year-old son Owen and my 4-year-old son Mason camping together for the first time. Come along with us as we hang out, enjoy a great time in the wilderness. Let's roll, baby! One bike.
My bike?
Yep, there's always bike. Helmet's on.
I'm trying to put the kids down.
All right, look up so I can get your helmet on. All right, just doesn't have one. Didn't come with one. Helmet check. Helmet check. All right, let's go.
Daddy, can I sit down?
No. All right. One for you. One for you.
That is mine?
Yep. There you go, man.
Can I cut it up?
No.
Why?
You don't need to cut it up.
Why? Why you cut it up?
We don't cut on Crustful soap. All right. All right. Here you boys go.
I'm sorry.
Hold on.
Oh.
Wait, please.
Why can you use your hand that way, not my hand?
You can use your hands. It's just, you gotta be careful so you don't get super duper dirty.
And my hand got dirty again.
That's okay. No, we're not using our hands because we're not getting super dirty. Okay.
I want it up.
We're gonna put it over here.
Let's go, baby.
Over here.
Right here.
Nope, over here. Yes, Bob. So can you help me get all the sticks and throw them in the fire pit, please?
Why?
Because we don't want to sleep on any sticks.
Really tough for.
I need to pick up all the sticks and monkey balls off the ground
Why?
so we can set the tent up.
Daddy.
Here.
I'm gonna do this one.
Yeah. Get that on. Push, pinch right here. Right there. You gotta go like that. There you go.
Can I do this one?
Yeah. Pinch. There you go. Undo the zipper. Undo the zipper. Good job. All right, first, we start with the ground sheet. Hold on. See that stuff in there?
What's that called?
The ground sheet. Pull that. There we go. Right, hold on. All right.
Can I hammer that in?
Yep, go ahead.
Can I do it too?
Good job, Mel. High five. Good job.
Can I do it?
You can do the one over here.
Let's go.
Hold on. You gotta get it. Hold it while we get started. Go ahead. We're staying out of it. Okay. Oh, watch yourself.
the food outside.
Got the tent all set up. Boys are hanging out inside the tent, watching a little bit of Paw Patrol. Going to get the fire going now. When I'm starting fires, I like to get 2 to 3 piles of wood set up before I go ahead and start the fire. That way I have all the material I need before I head and go ahead and get everything started. So I like to get 1 pile of sticks that are about pencil-like in thickness. They're pretty small. And then I'll get another pile that's a little bit bigger, about the size of your pinky thickness, and then some pieces that are like arm thickness as well. That way you have all the material you need when you're starting a fire. And then today I picked up a flint and steel from Walmart. It was like $3, so we're gonna give that a shot and see if we can get a fire started the old-fashioned way with some flint and steel. We got some homemade fire starters here. These are just cotton balls that the boys helped me make that are dipped in Vaseline and are pretty flammable. Just the cotton balls, but then the Vaseline helps it burn for a little bit longer. So I'm gonna start with that, and then the sticks on top.
Perfect. Now we're about to make dinner, and then we're gonna go to bed. Crackers and marshmallows.
Marshmallows?
Yeah.
Well, it's a little after 5 now. I got 2 hungry boys, so let's make some dinner. For dinner, we're gonna do a little Tex-Mex stir fry, a little jalapeno, some green onions, and some taco spices.
I like this food. First, make
Apparently, the boys only like potatoes when they are mashed. That is new to me. So they're just gonna have some ground beef with some melted cheese.
I like the one you're mashed. I only like the one you're mashed, Daddy.
Okay. Mason, how's dinner, bud? You like it?
Yep.
All right. What about you, Oz?
Yeah, I like it. No.
While I was cooking dinner, finishing up my dinner with the potatoes, Mason accidentally dropped his plate. So now I gotta pick through mine and see if I can get him some just ground beef. How's it taste, Oz?
Good.
It does taste good. Are you full?
Yep.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You don't want to eat anymore? Yeah, bub. Yeah, I think if you look right here, there's kind of like a deer trail or something.
Where?
Right here. See how there's like kind of a path in the woods right here?
Yeah. This is I got prickly like prickly trees. They're called prickly trees.
And you got caught on the prickly trees. Oh, thank you for holding it. Oh.
Yes, you did.
Oh, I made it.
Water.
This is a little stream here.
In there?
Yeah, right there.
Well, maybe you walk on that log.
I don't know about that one. Dinner ended up kind of being a fail. The boys decided today that they didn't like cubed potatoes, that they only liked mashed potatoes, which was news to me. And then Mason dumped half of his plate on the floor. So that's that. But dinner's over. Boys are still having fun. We're gonna go for a little bike ride now and go explore in the woods. I don't know.
There's a camera right there. And I'm the little brother.
Mm-hmm.
Totally found it!
Yeah, let's go.
And there's a tree.
What do you see?
A tree house.
A tree house.
This stairs, I always climb up it.
Yeah, we can climb up.
You climb up too.
Yeah, I will.
And us.
Yeah.
And then, why is it high? Who built it?
I don't know who built it.
Who built it? Wood.
I don't know.
Who built it? Wood.
I don't know.
And so so built it what trees? Because I'm in now. Guy can't carry. It's Mike, and we just made it, and now we need to get off. Now we need to figure out a way to climb down, and now we're gonna go figure out a way to climb down.
Yeah.
No, this one's there. Over there because that's where you look.
Okay.
I'm using it. Now I need to just keep this. I want just a graham cracker.
Hold that here. You want to hold it above the fire. Just uh-oh. We lost it.
To melt now. So are we melting now? To melt now. So is it melt?
Not yet. It's getting warm. You got to keep it over the fire. Hold the stick towards the back.
Why?
Because you don't want to get burned. You don't want to melt.
Huh?
You don't want to melt. Hold your hand back. There you go. Use your hands.
All the way? I won.
It's warm. How's it taste?
Good.
Good. Mason, how's your graham cracker?
Good. It's Mason's?
This is Mason's.
I'm not holding it. Why Mason not holding it?
You want to hold yours?
I want to try backwards.
All right, hold on.
What? Backwards? Yeah.
How's your s'more?
Back out.
Yeah. How's your s'more?
Good.
It's 8:45 and both the boys are finally asleep. Took a little bit of time to get melted down. Mason was pretty tired. He passed right out, but put a little podcast on for Owen. And 20 minutes later, and he is passed out asleep. So it's only supposed to get down to 42 degrees. Right now it's around 64 degrees now. I don't have the stove set up, but I think we should be good with just our sleeping bags. But the boys roll around so much, especially this guy right here, that they usually don't stay in the sleep bags too well, so we shall see how it goes. See you guys in the morning.
Good morning. Well, last night did not go too well. Owen woke up a couple times overnight crying for his bed. After the fourth time, we decided to head home. So, thankfully, we're only 40 minutes from home. But we made the drive home at 1 o'clock last night. Got home around like 2.
And the turtle's okay.
Slept for a couple hours, and Mason and I are back to pack up all of our stuff and head back home. That's what we're gonna do. Mason really wants to cook breakfast, so see if I can get a quick fire going, get some breakfast, and then get everything wrapped up.
Mike, and Ellie's sleeping, and we're gonna make breakfast, and we're packing up, and then we're gonna go to pool break. Then we're gonna watch our TV when we get home. Oh, a cart.
How's your sausage, bro?
Good.
So did you have fun this camping trip?
Yep.
Oh,
I did have fun because we had to go home.
yeah, that part wasn't fun. What was your favorite part of this camping trip?
My favorite part was watching TV in the tent.
Watching TV in the tent?
What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was finding the tree houses with you guys.
My next part was finding the ladder tree house.
The ladder tree house, that was a cool one. What do you want?
What sausages?
Whose sausages?
Daddy.
You want daddy's?
Yeah.
All right, I got you.
Daddy, I'm took one and you didn't eat it.
Yeah, I figured you might want it, so I saved them. This wraps up this week's adventure. Thanks for coming along with us, and don't forget to
Subscribe.
like and subscribe. See you on the next one.
What's wrong, baby? Come on, guys, and we're taking me and Ellie and me camping, and we're gonna stay at the hot tent, and we're gonna go ride bikes, and we have the chairs set up, and we brought the firewood back, and we got the campsite, and that's it. We ride bikes, and we gonna ride bikes, and we didn't bring bye, and we didn't bring to set the tent.